Hi everyone, and welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to get TikTok likes completely for free. As you can see on the screen, the likes are coming in swiftly, and this method truly works. First, let's visit the website rapidboost.net. This site offers a variety of services to help you enhance your social media presence. Once you're on the site, locate the TikTok likes section at the top of the page with other social media services. Here, you can choose the number of likes you want to receive. The options range from 50 likes to even 10,000, so you can pick the amount that suits your needs. This flexibility allows you to adjust your likes as necessary. After selecting the number of likes, the next step is to provide your TikTok video link. You can simply copy and paste the link to the TikTok video you want to promote. Make sure it is a link to a specific video and not to your TikTok profile. This will ensure that the order is placed correctly and that the likes arrive without any problems or delays. Once you've entered your video link, click Next to continue. When you proceed, you can enter promotional codes at the top of the page to reduce the price partially or completely. Enter X99 Secret and click Apply Coupon to discount the entire basket. You'll need to fill in some basic details to complete your order. Enter your email address, first and last name, and optionally your country and any notes related to the order. In the summary, you can also see the number and type of service you want to receive. After providing your information, click Place Order to move on. The order has been placed, and now all we have to do is wait for our likes. As you can see, the likes have successfully appeared on my TikTok video. This method is quick and easy, and you can see the results almost immediately.